Hi everyone. Today we are going to show you how to draw a trolley bus step by step. Step 1. Draw the base. Let's start by drawing a horizontal rectangle in the middle of the page. This will be the base or compartment of the bus. Use a ruler to draw a neat rectangle almost the length of your paper. Step 2. Draw the trolley poles next. We'll draw the trolley poles to connect the bus to the electricity wires. Make a small storage compartment on the front of the large rectangle. From this, draw 2 slanted lines extending left. Add a small rectangle at the top. This will attach to the wires. Step 3. Draw the wheels. The trolley bus needs wheels too. Draw 2 circles at a distance from the corners of the bus base. Make them half inside and half outside the rectangle. Step 4. Draw the doors. Buses need doors for passengers. Draw 1 vertical rectangle on each side of the bus base for the doors. Keep them evenly spaced. Before we continue, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Also, check out the description section to find out more about our products and services. Now, let's move on to Step 5. Draw the windows. Let's add some windows next. Draw a series of small horizontal rectangles along the top of the bus. Make the front window vertical for the driver. Step 6. Draw the lights. Just 2 simple rectangles attached to the front and back will create lights. Draw a small vertical rectangle inside the front and 1 outside the back. Step 7. The trolley bus is ready. Now, let's take the drawing up a notch with some additional details. Adding a background to your drawing. Consider adding a background like electricity wires connecting to the trolley poles or a road underneath the bus. This gives context. Adding colors to your drawing. Go wild with colors to bring your trolley bus to life. Play with different color combinations and shading. Bonus tips. Personalize your drawing by adding your own creative touches. You could add scenery, road signs, passengers. Get creative. We hope you enjoyed this easy step-by-step drawing tutorial on how to draw a trolley bus. Check the description for more on our tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more amazing drawing videos.